Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken vegetable using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast and 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables. Dice the chicken into 1-inch pieces and chop your vegetables into similar, bite-sized portions. This preparation ensures everything cooks evenly and quickly. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your diced chicken. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's nicely browned on all sides and cooked through. Season it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper for delicious flavor. Now, it's time to add your vegetables to the skillet with the cooked chicken. Pour in 1/2 cup of chicken broth or water to create a little steam. Cover the skillet and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the vegetables to become tender crisp while absorbing all the wonderful flavors from the chicken and broth. Finally, remove the lid and give everything a good stir. You can add 1 tablespoon of fresh herbs, such as parsley or cilantro, for a burst of freshness. Taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Your delicious and easy chicken vegetable dish is now ready to be served. Enjoy this healthy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.